We have been told for years, go ahead, use a concealer up under the eyes, set it with some powder. Yeah, maybe for a 20-year-old. So think about the last time that you actually used a concealer under your eyes as a mature woman, and tell me the last time that you put powder over it and that ever looked good. What happens when you're 60? Well, in today's video, I am showing you the only concealer that I would ever recommend for anybody over the age of 60. And I'm showing you how this works, and you don't have to set it with powder. Let's get into the video. One of the things that I want to point out is when we have mature under eyes, we have wrinkles and tons of movement. And if we put a concealer that is not hydrating, or it's claimed to be hydrating, and then we add a powder on top of it, the only thing that powder does is it pulls out all the moisture and it makes the under eye look cakey and gross. I have here the e.l.f. concealer. This concealer I do not use. I use it as a demonstration only to show you. This is the Camo Concealer Ivory. And I want to show you what happens when I place this up under my eye. Skin is prepped. I do have a moisturizer up under my eye. You always want to start with moisturized eyes. Please do not go in with any product without prepping your skin first. It is a disaster for any product. So that is the #1 rule. But I want to show you what happens when I apply this concealer up under my eye. And I'm not even going to place it in a way that's over exaggerated. This is what we typically do. We put some in the corner, we put some at the bottom, and then we sometimes go in maybe at the very edge there. And now I'm just going to grab my concealer brush. This is by e.l.f. and I'm going to stipple it onto under my eye. Stipple, stipple, get on up there. Grab all of it. Don't get it in your eye. I personally don't understand why we've all made the mistake of going directly up under the eye, because even if you fan it out and make the edges more blended, what you end up with is this. And I haven't even put powder on. See, I don't own powder. Do you see that? That closed my eye up and it just made me look old. It makes me look gross. It's not going to improve. If I put powder on top of that, goodness gracious, it's going to be an absolute disaster. So here is what I do instead. This concealer right here, the Fiera concealer, I introduced this to my daughter 10 years ago. It's the only concealer at the age of 35 she uses. And the reason is because of the formula. It is designed to melt by using your fingers. That is the way I use this product. It is the only way to use this product to get it melted into the skin. And it melts into the skin beautifully. If you notice on this eye that I put with the e.l.f. concealer, I didn't even put powder and it already looks dry. But this is the Fiera concealer. This is the one in beige. And I'm going to show you how to apply it. You put a little dab on your ring finger. That's all. And you do just like you did with the other concealer. You place it in the corner of your eye. I like to come down here. My under eye needs a little bit more love today. I got a cold. And then as you press and stipple it, your skin, it melts the product. It melts the product. And you can add as much, I say as little or as much as you want, because this concealer is the loveliest concealer I have ever come across. And I've been in the beauty industry a long time. That is the Fiera, and that is the e.l.f. or every other concealer that you ever had in your arsenal. Do you see the difference in that? And it's not just about that. I can move. It doesn't crease. I don't need powder to set it. At some point here in the next 2 minutes, this is going to sit down on its own because of the formula. I want you to look at this eye compared to this eye. The more you use your finger to melt it into your skin, the better off you are going to be. I thought, what a perfect day with me having a bag under my eye, and it's actually, my eyes are very dark right now. I'm going to turn my ring light off so you can see me without the ring light. This is every other concealer, and this is the Fiera. It's all about the formula and the technique. You don't need anything else but these two things. It's not your skin, and it's not your fault. We have been lied to for years about concealers and powders and setting. You can carry this with you. This is actually, you can use this for touching up dark spots on your face. It's ideal for touch-up spots. It's thick, it's creamy, it's melting. I will link it down below for you. Please know that I am constantly looking for ways to help us use less product and more solutions handy. This Fiera concealer is a game changer. I'll link it down below for you ladies. Just remember, you're beautiful no matter what you do. We're in this together. Subscribe if you haven't, like if you will, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.